Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Hodges, and I'll be teaching high school math, Algebra 2, geometry, and liberal arts math. And I will also be teaching agricultural science. In math this year, we will be working primarily in the classroom, and we will not be having homework. So all of our work will be done in the form of classwork, quizzes, and tests. And your work will be turned in at the end of class. Now, what you will need to do is you will need to have a composition notebook, and there are generally two styles available in the stores. One is college rule, where the lines are close together, and the other is wide ruled. So when you buy your composition notebook, be sure that you buy the wide rule notebook where the lines are far apart. That way you can have space between your answers. Now, as I mentioned, all of your work will be done in class and turned in at the end of class in the composition notebook. Now, you'll receive one of 5 grades: an A, a B, a C, a D, or an F. And on that particular day's assignment, if you get at least 10 of the problems correct, you'll receive an A. If you get 8 problems correct, you'll receive a B. 6 correct will give you a C. 4 correct will be a D, and anything less than that will be an F. So grading on homework will be quite simple. The only grades that will be percentage grades will be on quizzes and on tests, and those will be based on the number that you get correct out of the number of problems that are available. Now, as far as the things that you'll need to bring in class each day besides the textbook, for Algebra 2 and liberal arts math, you will need to have a graphing calculator, and some of you may already have purchased this when you were taking Algebra 1. But the model that you'll need to get for this class is the Texas Instrument TI-84CE model. So please be sure that you have this model calculator when you come to class. For geometry, calculator-wise, all you need is a standard scientific calculator, and this is one of many models that are available. Generally, the Texas Instrument calculators are the best of these. Now, for geometry, you will need some other tools. This is a typical kit that you can buy at most of the big box stores. And this has a compass in it, it has a protractor in it, and it has a ruler in it. So you will need to have something like this for geometry. If you do buy them separately, be sure that you get a protractor that has good markings on them so that you can see the markings clearly. If you have a ruler, it's a good thing to buy a ruler that's clear so that you can see through the ruler onto the page that you're working on. I look forward to seeing you in class, and hope to have a great year.